Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain why you might still appear online on Messenger even when your active status is turned off, and how to fix it step by step. First, open your Facebook app. Tap the three lines icon. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Tap Active Status. If it's turned on, switch it off. Most of the time, this fixes the issue. Wait a few minutes, then check again. If it still doesn't work, that means Facebook or Messenger might be logged in on other devices. Here's what to do. Go back to Settings and Privacy, then Settings again. Tap Account Center. Tap Password and Security. Tap where you're logged in. Select your Facebook profile. If you see other devices here, you must also turn off active status on those devices. If you notice any unknown devices, log out immediately. Select the device, tap Log Out. Then, change your password right away for security. After that, check again. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for the change to show. If it still doesn't work, uninstall both Facebook and Messenger, reinstall them, log in again, and your problem should be solved. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it so others can fix it too. Thanks for watching.